All right, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to find existing bestsellers and combine it into completely new listings, fill a gap in the marketplace so you can create your own bestsellers as well. So let's jump right in and I'll show you exactly what I mean. All right, so here I found this candle. Foch, uh, not Foch, but Coach volleyball gift. So this is like a funny text on a candle, and it's targeting specifically volleyball coaches. If you scroll down, you can see here reviews 148. So only about 10% of people actually leave a review on Etsy. So this might have like 500 to 1,000 sales. So that we know. So we know now. What do we know? Well, volleyball coach gift is something people search for. It's the main keyword that they target. And we also know that people are actually buying these on the product type candle. Okay? So just remember that. Next, you can see that this same store, you think this is the same product, but this is actually a different listing because this one has 251 reviews, so maybe like 2,000 sales. But they're targeting a slightly different keyword. They're targeting volleyball gift instead of volleyball coach gift. Here's a different listing. Coach's Last Nerve candle. These are also very popular bestseller. Coach Smith's Last Nerve. So we know that like people want to buy candles for their coaches and personalize it with a name. Perfect. So in my last video, I showed you guys how to create these types of candles with funny labels using ChatGPT. In this video, we're actually going to do something entirely different and combine two different styles of candle into one entirely new one that doesn't exist yet and that we can add value on the marketplace. So let me show you what I mean. It's these Saint selfie candles. These are extremely popular. This listing is even much bigger than the other ones I showed you because this has almost 1,000 reviews, meaning this product has like 5,000, 10,000 sales. What is it? Well, you send your selfie, they put it on a Saint candle. Very funny, very good. There's other people selling these with celebrities and a few variations like that as well. But what we're going to do is we're actually going to put people's faces onto the Saint candle, but we're going to make one for a coach, baseball coach, volleyball coach, something like that. So let's jump right in. We're going to use AI to make these. So let's jump right in and go ahead and create these candles. By the way, just to be complete here, these people that are selling these candles, they're actually buying these themselves and like going to Walmart or something like that and buying these for like $2, $4 and printing the label themselves. We're not going to do that. You can do that if you want, by the way, using this method as well. But in this method particularly, I'm going to use a print on demand version. Now it is a slightly different looking candle, but it still is the same idea and a little bit of a hybrid of both the Saint candle and the funny text count. So step number one is you go to artbreeder.com/create/composer and you go ahead and you simply type in a saint and the AI image generator will generate an image of a saint. Make sure that here under settings, you actually click shape tall. That is pretty much the same as what is going to be on the candle later. So we're going to click shape tall and create a picture of a saint. Then if you like it, you can zoom here and print screen it or right click and download it. Now, if you don't like it, you can click on the vary button and it will create variations based on that image. And you can look at these until you find something that you like or click generate more and get even more of these variations. So I've already done this and it went ahead and created this saint picture for me. I think it's pretty cool. So I went with this one and downloaded that. Next, you go back to Artbreeder and you say this time a Saint baseball coach and you use that as a base image. So, so you type a Saint baseball coach, then you click here, base image, upload, and then upload the image that you just downloaded. Now it will start to create a picture, a Saint baseball coach. And again, you can apply the same principle and use the vary button to get variations. I think this one is pretty cool. I ended up with this one. I think it's really cool because it actually shows the same type of photo or painting, but with a baseball bat and a baseball cap. I think it's pretty cool. So next you go ahead again, use print screen this one, or you just right click and download the image. And guys, you can play around with this for a little while until you find something that really works. And also, while you're doing this, you probably understand that you can do this in so many different niches and for so many different styles. In this case, we're doing candles for the coach niche, but you could do candles for celebrities or pretty much any niche. And also, you can print this on different things, not just candles. So this is a really valuable method to generate AI art, especially later on with custom photos. So next, let me immediately show you how to make the main mockup we're going to make and how to do a face swap with people who's going to send their pictures. Okay, so we go to pexels.com and you type in this case, I just typed in person. We're just looking for a dummy photo of something like what people might actually send in. So let's go with this one. And then you click free download. Next, what we can do is again, we type in a Saint baseball coach and we use again as the base image the Saint, but we go ahead and upload the face of the guy that we just got. So select that one. And now it's going to change everything around it as well. I don't like that. So you click the plus paint button and you paint the face because we want to do a face swap, right? And then you just wait, let it reload. And now it keeps pretty much the original Saint aesthetic with a baseball bat with the face swap done. All right, next we go to printify.com and we're actually going to find the candle and start designing the candle itself. So go to catalog. We type in candle. All right, and the one we're going to be using is this one. This scented candle 1375 ounce. Click start designing. Then in here, we see print area size 900 by 1125. So we need to create that as a template to use on here, right? Next, you go to canva.com, click create a design and custom size. Now you do need Canva Pro for this, but I do recommend it. And there is actually a 30-day free trial for Canva Pro. So yeah, just get that. And then we use the same size. So what is it? 900 by 1125. So 900 by 1125. Leave pixels to pixels. Create design. All right. Now simply just drag and drop the screenshot or the download that you did off your Saint with the face. Just going to drag that onto here. Now, as you can see, the size is pretty much like the format is pretty much the same. Or how do you say that? The dimensions are pretty much the same. So now we have this image in the correct size for the candle on Printify. Then we go to elements. Then we go ahead and search for banner. And we're just going to go and look for like a banner that we could use. I think this one is fine. And that's where the name goes. So we just need like a little sample text. So add a text box, say Saint Coach. Increase the size a bit. So you can use this font or you can play around a little bit, find something else. So I ended up with this font here. And then you just click share. download, download. And now we actually have the image that we're going to use for printify. So now we go to printify. Then we click upload my device. From the downloads, we click the one that we got from Canva. Look, and this is going to be, you can click here on preview. This is going to be our candle. I think that looks pretty cool. So we go back here to edit. Make sure that you select all the variations, which is in this case, there's 3 different scents. By the way, that's another advantage that we have over the competition because those other saint candles are all unscented. And we have 3 scents to choose from. So we're going to be one of the few that have a scented candle. So you can also add these as a custom upload option for people to not just do the coach niche, but do like upload your picture kind of thing. And you will be maybe the only one that's selling scented candles because everyone else is doing these Walmart unscented candles. Just saying, a little tip here. All right, so we got this candle looking pretty good. Just click Save Product. All right, now here, mockup library, you want to make sure that all the mockups are in there so we don't need 3 different blank ones. So we also don't need this, just pick context 1 and 2 would be nice. Save. All right, next we're going to write a title and a description, and we're also going to write some tags, enable personalization, select the new shipping profile, and we're going to set the price to $39.99. We can always like run a 10% discount or something like that to make a little bit more profit. But here we make a profit of $20.50. Hide in store, show all products, best for SEO. All right, next we're going to write these tags and title. Now I'm going to take a little bit from theirs. This plugin I'm using is called Etsy Hunt or eHunt. Link in the description for a free trial. And I'm actually going to take a few of their tags as well, such as thank you gift, coach thank you. So let's just write a title. Now I always just open Notepad Plus because you can count the lines, but you can use any tool that you want. So obviously baseball coach, gift, that is one of our main keywords. Funny, saint candle for baseball coach. Right? So now we have saint candle, baseball coach gift. So just write these, baseball coach, coach gift, saint candle, funny candle, candle. We already got baseball coach. Then we can say coach candle, baseball candle. Let's take from there, gift for coach. Coach, thank you. So we can say here also, coach, thank you, gift idea, or we can just say scented candle 13.75 OZ. Just in case anybody reads that title and is like, that's nice. Gift for coach, coach candle. Already got that one. Scented candle. We can say personalized and custom coach gift. All right. Right. Also put the word custom in there. So the main keyword is, of course, baseball coach gift. And that's the one that we have put here in the front. That's how you'd basically do Etsy tags. So you put your main, most important keyword at the beginning of the title. And that's like the main rule for this. Okay. So this is pretty good. So we're going to get found for baseball coach gift, baseball gift, custom coach gift, also saint candle. Saint candle for baseball coach, and things like this, okay? So next, we're going to go back into Printify, and I'll show you. We're going to paste that title. Boom. We're going to paste those tags. Boom. Now, this is the first time we're not going to remove the description. Going to put the tags in here so we can bulk copy paste them in Etsy directly from the description. Unfortunately, if we do it here, you have to paste them one by one. It's annoying. So we're going to do it like this. So in Etsy, make sure to copy this, Control X, and then paste them in the Etsy tags field. But I'm doing it here because if you put them here, look, what is this? Right? So they need to fix this on Printify's end. So for now, we just put them in our description and then remove them again on Etsy. So anyway, I hope you understand that. So this, we don't care that it's sourced from globally parts. We don't care about this, right? So also we don't care about this. Now we're going to go to ChatGPT and ask it to write for us a description for this product. So very simple, write a product description for our lovely Saint scented candles. Customer uploads their photo and we turn it into a Saint baseball coach. Product description from supplier or whatever. It doesn't matter what you type here, just whatever, you just make it good. Okay, and then Etsy title, whatever we just came up with, right? This product description from supplier, and then make sure to tell people how to order. First order, then message us your photo. This is, by the way, this is still how Etsy works. Can you believe it? Because you would think that by now Etsy would have some system where the customer can upload their photo, but no, they have to place their order, then message you afterwards with their photo. I guess it's part of the Etsy charm. Okay, maybe, right? So, okay. So ChatGPT is going to write this for us, right? Yep. Okay. So we're going to just use this. I mean, you can redo it or you can do your own or whatever, but we're going to use this. Make sure you link the tags in there. Boom. All right. Now, of course, oh my God. Yeah. Use emojis or something for bullets. So he needs to do it again. He doesn't understand those bullet points. Okay. Well, that's better. See, that's so much better. All right. Anyway, coach's name. Yeah. Send us your photo in a message after you order, please. Or not, please. Just for like that. All right. So we're going to go, boom, automatically sign your shipping profile, $39.99. Boom. And then you click publish, and that's it. All right. So finally, because these mockups are not that great, we don't want to use this as a main mockup, right? It's going to look bad because these guys, they used like a nice custom turn your pick into a saint, blah blah blah. So we're going to do the same. So let's go back to Canva, and I've made it already, but it's really quite simple. Let me just redo it. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Canva, we're going to click create design, We're going to do custom size. And this one you want to be above 2000 pixels because it's for the Etsy mockup image. So it wants to be above 2000 pixels. And they say that this actually affects your rank on Etsy. So make sure it's above 2000. So we're going to do 2040 by 2040, create new design. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag this. Oh, no. Yeah, I almost forgot. So go back to Printify, click Edit Design, click Preview. Again, we forgot to do this, but the front, we want to download it. So just right click, Save Image As, or I have this PNG plugin, save it as a PNG or Save Image As, or you can just click the Download Mockup button here. Okay. And then in Canva, let's go ahead and just drag that from your Downloads folder and just drag that image on there like such. Okay. And make it fit. You can do the background remover. So this white background is removed. Okay. And then let's go here to elements. So we click and you type in photo frame. I already did this earlier so you can see. Look, and then we paste this. And we're just going to make a nice image that says like, hey, upload your own photo, blah, blah, blah. So, yep, maybe this can be a little bit smaller. Great. And remember that we downloaded that photo from Pexels, right? So we're going to drag that onto the canvas as well. And then you can just put it in there like that. Great. Then we go text, add a text box, and then we say your photo, right? Because that's what it is. And this is just something to grab people's attention in the search results. So yeah, something like this. And then, it's just like YouTube thumbnails. Arrows always work for some reason. So let's go ahead and find an arrow. All right. This was me searching in fonts like an idiot. What we have to type in here, elements, arrow. We can search here under graphics. Okay. Let's just go with this one. And let's make it red. Red. And let's turn it. There we go. I think this can go down a little bit, and then this can go up. Background color, maybe not entirely super white, but maybe something like this, right? So we can use this as a main image on Etsy, and it looks pretty good. People will know. You can actually experiment with different main images on Etsy. You can clone this listing once it starts to get a bunch of views, favorites, whatever, sales. Clone that listing, use different keywords, or use a different main image so you can test different things and see what works, okay? Because you never know. It's all about split testing as well. So that's how you do this. I would use this as a main image to start with so people actually know from the search results, oh, your photo onto a saint candle. That's very funny. Maybe you make this a little bit larger or whatever. So yeah, this is going to be your main image on Etsy. It doesn't have to be pretty as long as it's like functional and they understand what's going on. You can also do it with like your name, like Saint blah, blah, like a name, or it's just Saint Coach and then it's their photo, right? Either way, it's custom, right? They recognize that it's them. You understand? So it's fine if it's just a photo and it says Saint Coach, but you can make it also like a name as well as the picture. Anyway, that's how you create these listings. This is an entirely new product in the Etsy marketplace. I don't think anyone is showing you how to do these things because I just found this as an opportunity and then decided to make this video. But yeah, it's not something that I've seen anyone else do or talk about here on YouTube. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. You can also comment in the comments below and let me know if this was helpful and what types of video you would like to see in the future, whether it be Etsy product research, tutorials, design tutorials, or anything like that. So yeah, just let me know. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Gives the algorithm a positive little boost. And I'll see you in the next one.